I'm Katrina, and this is So and Tare. Today, we are learning about the USDA planting zones. Now, the USDA planting zones were updated. I just got an email about it today, and so this is brand new. Some people are now in different planting zones. So, what does this mean? The USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, keeps track of the weather and what happens with the weather and versus planting things and crops and all of that. And so that's the reason for it is agriculture. And what happens is you have agriculture and climate change happening at the same time. Every once in a while, they will update the USDA planting zones. Now, planting zone, what does that mean? A planting zone is a zone that you can plant a particular thing in. It does not tell you how long the season is. It does not tell you when the frost dates are. All it does is it tells you the coldest temperature, coldest average kind of how cold it will get. And then you can plant a plant that can survive to that temperature. It's basically like saying, okay, there's a bunch of things required for a plant to live, and we're going to focus on one thing, and that is cold temperature. If a plant goes past that cold temperature, then it will die. It doesn't always happen, but that's the idea behind the USDA planting zones. So they just updated it. I will have the link for that map in the description, so you guys can check that out. And when you do that, all you need is your zip code, and then you can zoom in on the map to where you are specifically. I always recommend having an idea in your head that you are going to be colder than where it tells you. If you are in an area that has like a little bit mottled colors, because there are microclimates. Now, there might be microclimates that might make you warmer too. So that's just something to keep in mind as we go through the process. So let's go online, and I'll show you how this works. So here's the website, and this is USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map. If you type in your zip code, you'll get your zone. This is my zip code, and it gives me 9B, which is 25 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. That would be the average low, basically how low it's going to get. Now, I have seen it go to 22 here, but it looks like they are increasing it. I don't know. Maybe it didn't increase it. I just know that I've seen it 22 here. But this is it. Now, this is supposed to click to zoom. It didn't work earlier. Okay, I'm clicking it. It's not zooming. However, I can go into where I live and scroll in. And you can see there's all these different colors here. Now, these colors are, the legend is over here on this side. And so we can look at all the different colors. And you can see 9B is this color for me. I am in this general region, and that matches up. So you are able to do this anywhere in the United States. You zoom out, it goes all the way out to, it even has Puerto Rico in here. So it has Puerto Rico, Hawaii, Alaska, and actually if you zoom out far enough, there's Hawaii. There's Hawaii. And there's Alaska up there. So, man, people in Alaska, that's pretty cold. Pretty cold. Look at that. You can see they get pretty detailed. If you're on an edge, then just pick the colder edge, the colder number over here. And, wow, 2B, that's really cold. And so that's how you look it up. There are lots of different zones in here. And you can see, in general, the warmer zones are on the bottom. Those are the higher numbers. And the cooler zones are to the north. However, when you look up the coasts, this right here, you can see there's warmer zones that go all the way up. There's some coastal influence. On the eastern side, it also kind of swings up, but doesn't have quite the same effect as on the western side. So, there you go. Now you know how to look up your zone. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was informational. I hope this was good. And put in the comments below if your zone changed. My zone's still 9B. I'm still 9B. Nothing changed for me. My brother told me today that his zone changed. He got a little warmer. So depends on where you are, if this is impacting you or not. And you might be able to plant plants that you thought you couldn't plant before. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit the like if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And we are going to have a lot more gardening stuff on here. We're going to have a lot more animal stuff on here, food preservation, a whole bunch of stuff. So anything homestead related is fair game on this channel. And we want you to get all the content. So when you subscribe, hit the bell notification, select all, and you'll get the content. Thank you for watching. Please share this around so people know that they can grow more things. Maybe. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.